What's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. Today I want to talk about questions that you've been asking me about how you can trade with $10. $10. By the way, I have 19, but it's almost the same. So $10 can be grown if you use risk management after doing your analysis. First, if you're using mother of all, you need to use 15 minutes to check this, or you can use 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes and see what 5 minutes says about this. 5 minutes here it is, which means 200 moving average have managed to cross below of the rest of moving average. When you come to this, you can clearly see that we bounced with this was oversold and we bounced on 10 level. Once we comes back 20 levels shows a lot. So always I have told you that these the levels are there to show where you are and are standing for take profits. So once these zones got touched, mostly there will be pullback, which means price will be pushed down to set another strong support in order to push up. So once you go through 1 minute, you will see that we should have taken it from here or here or here. This was good opportunity if you could have been following up. So what you're gonna do, since we have confirmations, then is to buy. But also, if you are using price action, you need to understand that downtrend trend line is being broken, and then you can just zoom in to check what is going on. After zooming in, you can clearly see that we have bullish cross, which stands for an uptrend trend line, direction, so before you goes up a little bit, you can clearly see that also we have bullish engulfing, and also we have another bullish engulfing. So when you see those bullishes are following each other, you need to know that something is in the kitchen. Downtrend trend line is being broken, and what else you need to know is if you check how price just shoots down with a big power, big movement, went up and comes back. Instead of going up, you can see that it expected something here. Once it goes back down, it has to come and break this. And the best key that you should look for is this. After breaking this a big high, then you understand that we are going in. You can see, so from here, from this zone, you can start looking for the entry point. Now, since we have realized that we are going we're going up, we are going to buy our gold. We're gonna buy our gold with 0.01. Don't be greedy. Once you're trading, you need to check how much you have and how much you want to risk. So we are buying gold here. I don't know why. I think my internet is not stable. I don't know what is happening, or my capital, my broker doesn't allow me to open positions, but I think it's about my Wi-Fi is not stable. My internet is not stable, but it will open either way. I don't know what is going. Shit! It opened BTC, which is not what we are. It's not what we're talking about. We are talking about gold. I've told you every time that you make the mistake by opening different pairs from what you were analyzing, then you will have to close it immediately. So as I told you, according to leverage of my account, you can see that my broker is not allowing me to open more than one position with this account, but I will go somewhere else and open. So let's continue here. and see what we're gonna get from here. Since this is a big account, you're gonna use 17. Let's use 17, 0,17, and see what we get here. No matter what, I know we're going to get something, but we will come back to our 19 account to see if we can get something bigger. So these positions are enough. Since we used a lower time frame, we're not gonna go far. We just wait for making some few bucks, then we will be out. It's not gonna take longer. I just wanted to show you how we can trade with a smaller time frame. Just wanted to show you how we can do that. So what I know about this is that we're gonna make a good cash no matter what. Just wait and see what is gonna happen. What I know is that we're gonna make a good cash, and then we will just close our accounts and look for any other entries. Let's go to our $19 account and see what we have there now. So here we are now. If our broker could allow us to open more than one positions, but it's not our broker's problem, is the leverages that I chose with this account. Let's say we could have been opened 4 positions, 4 positions, which means we're about $2 here, which means by now we could have $8. So $8 plus 18 there, it could be 26, 26. And then we was gonna just wait for making our account double. That 8, we could have 8. Now we was gonna wait for maybe 10 minutes or more than that. We could get more $18. So from 18 to $36, then we close. Always target is to double account. We could close. So this is what I'm talking about. This is about $4. $4, if we could have been opened 4 positions, now it could be 16. 16 is almost the amount of account that we have. It was gonna be 18, then we could close with 36 or 40, then we look for more entry because we are using a smaller time frame. That's how you need to grow your account. You don't need to wait for this to start with 18, then you take it to 500. No, you need to check what you're doing, how much you have, how much you're risking, how much you're looking for, how much you may lose if a trade goes against you. So I think this is well understandable. Everyone can be able to understand this. So now we're gonna wait until we can see a minimum of $80 to $18, and then we will just close our account. Yo, summer people, so here we are now. We have come back to check how our account is going on. So now we managed to make this 13. Our target was $8 since it was just one position. But imagine if we could have opened 2 to 3 position. 4 position, it could be let's say 26, it could be 52. So from $18 you can reach 52. But this is for people who knows exactly what's going on with bigger time frame, if you understand how trades goes. But if you are trading to grow your account, you don't put in your mind that you are trading to make money. You are trading to grow your account. So now as a teacher, now I can just advise you to close once you have this from 18. If you manage to make $8 more, you need to close. If you reach 10, is better, but this is the best target ever, but if you could have used 2 positions, or now it could be easy for us to double our account. As you can see, it's about just more $5, so it can be double. So if we could have managed to open 2 positions, now we could have 24, which was gonna be about 42, instead of 36. 42 could be over twice the account. So guys, this is how I taught you how to grow your account. If you want to grow account, you need to use the time frames that I told you about, because you're not gonna stay longer in the market. You need to use 1 minute and 5 minutes and 15 minutes. That is all. There is, you can be trading against a bigger time frame trend. You can be trading pullback. It's possible, and you can also be following the trend. You need to know all the difference of all this. So we are going to close our account with $31. Then we will come back to start again, and we gonna make more of this, which means tomorrow we'll be allowed to open 2 positions, so we can take 31, from 31 minimum to 60. We can take it to 60 together. So we're gonna grow this account again together, so you may understand how you can grow your $10. I think this is the answer to you guys who asked me how to grow small account as much as $10 or $20. So let's see you next time. I think tomorrow or on Monday. If I get a chance tomorrow, we're gonna again analyze together and grow this account together, or we can do it Monday. Sharp, my people. Enjoy your day, and remember who you are. Who is asking me about when promo is gonna end? Promo is gonna end with this week, which means until Sunday. So from Monday there will be no 50% promo in VIP anymore, which means you will have to wait for next month on 25th of June. So enjoy your day, guys. Jay loves you all, but before, let's go and check another account how it's doing. Yo, my people, yeah, let's check this. I traded 3 different accounts. This is another account I traded with Desire, and so far you can see if you 5-minute time frame, you can see where we took it from and where we are now. So since this 15-minute time frame, our strategy shows exactly that we're still going up no matter what. So I'm not gonna close this one for now. As you can see, we still have more opportunity. I'm saying this because we have this bullish engulfing here. If you just zoom in, you will see it clearly. That's what is showing up here. Is stand for this. First we have this supporter, and we have this that were pushed up, but bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing says something else, which means it's giving me more power to hold for a few more minutes and see what I'm gonna get from this, because but I can still close calls from 4.5 to 13. This is enough profit. I managed to triple account, which is for me to close now. So without wasting my time, instead of waiting, let me just close with this. We said greediness is not good. So since we have 13,000, almost 14, we're gonna just this is not dollars. This is about $650. It's about selector is almost $700. So it's easy for me today to withdraw let's say 500 and leave 200, which is gonna be 4,000 or 3.8, something like that, you know. So tomorrow we can finalize and close our week growing it again together. So enjoy your day, guys. Jay loves you all. Let's go.